So, you're looking to head to Portugal. Whether you're looking to move to the captivating capital, Lisbon, with its spectacular views on the 25th of April Bridge, or are looking to bask in the sunshine in the Algarve, hoping for one sandy beach to another, the country has plenty to offer. But how can I move to the country? And which visa is the right one for me? We hear your questions and we're ready to provide the answers. If you're looking to move to Portugal on a permanent basis, then the D7 visa, also known as the retirement visa or the passive income visa, is a great option for you. If you're looking to live in Portugal on a more temporary basis, then the digital nomad visa launched last year could be the one for you. So sit back and relax, perhaps imagine the waves lapping against the Portuguese shore, the bright sunshine caressing your face. We're going to provide you with everything you need to know about these two visa types. Hey there, global citizens. My name is Inês and I'm with Global Citizen Solutions, a boutique investment migration firm helping expats to find their ideal citizenship by investment program outside their birth country. We believe that everybody has the right to thrive, no matter where home is, and our mission is to match investors to their ideal investment, golden visa program, or tax benefit. Learn more at globalcitizensolutions.com. So, first things first, why Portugal? Well, seeing as you're watching this video, the country's probably piqued your interest. It is the great weather, the white sandy beaches, the sleepy, peaceful villages lining the Silver Coast, or perhaps the fact that the country has become something of a hub for digital nomads, boasting countless amazing co-working spaces and activities to enjoy. Well, whatever the reason, understanding which visa is right for you is a must. So, first off, we have the D7 visa. The D7 visa was introduced by the Portuguese government back in 2007 and allows any non-EU or non-EEA or non-Swiss citizen to secure residency in Portugal as long as they have a reasonable passive income. This is an affordable route to residency, and passive income includes movable property, real estate, pensions, and any other recognized stable incomes. The permit is granted for 2 years and can then be renewed for a further 3-year period. After this, it can then be converted into a permanent residence permit. You can also apply for Portuguese citizenship provided you fulfill all the requirements under Portuguese nationality law. So let's simplify this a little. Are you eligible? The requirements are that you are a non-EU national. You meet the minimum income requirements, earn a passive income of at least €760 per month, show proof of a place to live in Portugal, you have a clean criminal record. The D7 visa is a great way to move to Portugal and is pretty affordable. For more info on this visa type, you can check our article in the link below this video. And second, fresh off the press, we have the digital nomad visa. The Portuguese government announced this visa type last year to allow digital nomads to stay in the country for a certain period of time. This visa is open to remote workers that are looking for a taste of the Portuguese lifestyle. The requirements are that you will need to make 4 times the minimum national wage, which amounts to around €2,836 per month. And you'll need to have an employer from outside Portugal to show that you are self-employed. There are 2 categories to the digital nomad visa, a short stay visa and a residence permit. So let's dig a little deeper. The short stay visa is aimed at remote workers who want to live in the country for up to 1 year. If you're looking to stay longer, you can obtain a residency visa, which can be renewed for up to 5 years. After this time, you can apply for permanent residency in the country and even citizenship, provided you meet all the requirements. The digital nomad visa is a great alternative to the D7 visa, providing an entire visa focused on attracting remote workers and entrepreneurs to the country. For more info, you can check out our article on the digital nomad visa at the link below this video. And one final thing before we leave you, where are the best locations in Portugal? Here's a very brief rundown. Lisbon, the glimmering capital, has it all. Porto, the historical second largest city in Portugal, can definitely give Lisbon a run for its money. The Algarve, is there anywhere better in Europe to simply relax and enjoy the sunshine? The Silver Coast, on the west coast of Portugal, the Silver Coast is becoming somewhat of a mecca for digital nomads, particularly those that enjoy surfing. And finally, Braga. This city in the north of Portugal provides a great base to enjoy the tranquility of the north of the country. Plus, the city has become a big tech hub. This list is by no means comprehensive, but just to give you a flavor of some of the top locations that Portugal has to offer. And there you have it. Portugal beckons. Be sure to check out the 2 articles for more info on each. Whether you are a retiree or a digital nomad, Portugal has stepped up and delivered so you can head to the country's sunshine shores hassle-free. We hope to see you in Portugal soon. Last but not least, please hit like and subscribe if you want more special treats coming your way. See you next time.